Hello, welcome to my Sunday front. Today we have a couple of packages and some boxes, and I want to get started. I want to open these bags. Look at when it's kind of open. See what's in here. Oh, these are tights. These are fleece line tights. As you can see. So I ordered 2 pairs. They were on sale for $7. So these don't have like the bottom. These are just like opaque tights, like you wear clothes over them. And these are black and blue. So they have like a line in them, but you can wear them with like sweater dresses, with like, you know, like athletic stuff like tunics, and you can wear them for whatever you need them for, winter apparel, or you can wear them under as undergarments, kind of, to buffer cold, like when you're going outside. But I think I just wanted to work out in these, so I have them. And then let's get the other bag. So here we have a small package. It's in here. And in here I have a box of bacon. This is fully cooked bacon. I just like wanted to check it out. So here it is. It's just a little, it's 2 ounces, 2.5 ounces. It costs it like $3.50. But it's shelf staple, so that's pretty cool. Hygiene, this is Mexican light shampoo. And then I got oh, and that light shampoo is like under $5. I know that like the name brands are really expensive, but those, if you ever need one that's pretty inexpensive, you can find that one, and it works pretty well from what I hear. This is a utensil kit, like set, right? A cutlery set, and it comes with a fork. This is kind of cool, right? A fork, a spoon, soup spoon. It comes with a knife. It's a pretty good, decent knife. I mean, these are plastic, but they're still, you know, functional. Look at that. And the chopsticks, they're pretty sturdy, actually. So I'm gonna be using these, and yeah, you'll see me using these. It's like one set, and then of course I'm gonna open the boxes. So here I have medicine. Oh, this is sinus medicine for congestion and pain. And that one's under $4 as well. And this one's about $5. This is naproxen. This is really good for pain too. So I use that one because like I usually get inexpensive medicines. So that way I always have medicine on hand and I don't have to worry about that. I have this sweet corn mix. You can use this to make all kinds of sweet treats. If you like corn, it says it in the back. It says para preparar arepas, cachapas, choreadas. I don't know what half of these things are. Hush puppies, torta de maíz, y mucho más recetas. I love hush puppies. But I think there's one right here that tells you how to make something, a recipe. I don't know what it is. It says how to prepare it to make hotcakes, I guess. So we'll see. I'm gonna use that for recipes. And then wonder what this one is. See. Ta-da! What is it? It is malt vinegar. Oh my goodness. That's crazy. So I got malt vinegar because people were like, your condiments, you need to get more different condiments than like, you know what I mean? Like regional. So I heard you guys and I'm trying different condiments. Let's see what else is in here. That's it. Okay. Pretty cool. I think that's pretty cool. So far so good, huh? Let's see what's in this little one. I'm so curious. This little one's like bright. Catch my eye. Okay. Ooh, I like it. Right away, lipstick. Win. Yes, sir. They know what I like to see. How do you open this thing? Now, now to open it. There you go. Here's lipstick. Looks like I already got this color, but I didn't. It's in the color Candy. Isn't that cute? It's another frosted lipstick, but it's very, very light pink. Can you see it? Can you even see it on the screen? My goodness. And then I got another set of what do you call them? Eyelash colors. because like, see, I got 2 because like the one that I have like ran out of refills, and I thought, well, 2's better than 1, and anyways, they cost the same, right? So I was like, I'll just get another one. So I got another one. You know what I mean? Pretty good. This one, I'll just put this one away. And then I got pizza crust mix. Ooh, look at this. I wanted to try this. This is Teacher Mask Fit Red Cushion and TC shell. Oh, we'll try this one out. We'll try all that other stuff out in another video. So, just to be clear, this is cushion foundation, and I'll be trying this in probably another video. I got it in the closest to my skin shade that I could. That's very fair, because I like my makeup to be fair. And then I got, of course, a Pantone. And then for that, I got a frosting. This is cream cheese frosting. I always get cream cheese frosting. This isn't whipped. This is just the regular one. It's rich and creamy frosting. And then, let's see. I guess that's it. And then I have one more box. Let's see. Just one more. Okay, so I got these curtains. These were resale curtains. They're like 100 inches. And I thought that was nice because like I really find them on resale. They were like $6 for the 2 panels. And then this I got on sale for like $9, under $9. It was like 8 something. It was like $13 originally, but it had a $5 coupon. And of course I got it. I love these. These are kind of like Yankee Candle, Bath and Body Works type scents. The Vibrant, it says 2 times more essential oils. This one is in white sage and mahogany. So I had this before, the scent, and I liked it. I thought it was really, really nice and pleasant. So I got it again. Let's see what else is in here. It looks like that's it, guys. Thank you guys for joining me today. I really had a good time, and hope to see you in the next video. My son de Frump. Bye-bye.